Ever wondered how to advertise your business online effectively? Today, let's explore Google Ads, a dynamic online advertising platform developed by Google. It's a game changer, allowing businesses to display their ads not just on Google's search results, but also across partner websites. This vast reach can put your business on the map, extending your visibility to potential customers globally. When harnessed correctly, Google Ads is a powerful tool to reach potential customers online. First things first, you need to set up your Google Ads account. Start by heading over to ads.google.com. Once there, click on Get Started. You'll then be guided through a series of prompts. Here, Google will ask for some basic information about your business, like your name, your business's name, and its location. Take your time to fill this out accurately. This information will help Google tailor your ad experience. Now that you have an account, it's time to create your first campaign. Creating your first campaign might seem daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. Google Ads offers a variety of campaign types, including search, display, and video. Choosing the right one depends on your specific advertising goals. Now, onto keyword research. These are the words or phrases that trigger your ads to display. Google's Keyword Planner is your best friend here, helping you find relevant keywords for your business. Next up, let's craft that ad. A compelling headline and description are crucial. They need to be clear, relevant, and enticing to your target audience. Remember, a well-written ad can significantly increase your chances of attracting clicks. Budgeting time. Set a daily or monthly budget that suits your needs. Google Ads offers various bidding strategies like manual CPC and smart bidding. These help you manage how you pay for user interactions with your ads. Remember, a well-crafted ad with the right keywords and budget can significantly boost your online presence. Now that you've created your campaign, how do you ensure it reaches the right people? The secret lies in targeting. Google Ads allows you to select the audience for your ads based on factors like location, age, and interests. This means you can make sure your ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. But the work doesn't stop there. Monitoring is equally important. Google Ads provides a wealth of data on the performance of your campaign. You can see how many clicks your ad is getting, how many impressions it's making, and how many of these interactions are turning into conversions. This data is like gold dust. It can show you what's working, what's not, and where you can make improvements. So, don't just set it and forget it. Constantly optimize your campaign based on these insights for better results.